Hey guys, Mrs. Dalton here, and I'm just going to walk you through how to get started on this waffle puzzle because I've gotten a few requests for help on this. So what I would do if I were you, I would start at the 1 and I would start at the waffle on top because you're kind of using like a multiplication grid that you may have used like in elementary school. So we're going to start with 1 and waffle. And you're going to go this way until you get to the 7 and this way until you get to the 7. So that means 1 times waffle equals 7. Okay, well, 1 times what would give you 7? And so your answer would be 7 because anything times 1 is itself. So in this case, your waffle is going to be worth 7. Okay, the next one that I'll show you that hopefully you'll have an answer for by the time I get done explaining it is the syrup bottle. Okay, so this syrup bottle times this syrup bottle is going to equal 25. And since the syrup bottle is the same thing, that means you need the same number times the same number equals 25. And hopefully you are shouting the answer at the screen right now. Did you get it? Okay, all right, so from there, just work it like a multiplication grid, you know, this way and this one, okay, to give you the value of the strawberry. All righty, just send me a text or something on Canvas if you still don't get it, and I'll probably, you know, reach out to you over the Office 365. All right, guys, have a great day. Miss you bunches, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.